Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error which is wait on the database engine recovery handle failed SQL server in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for CMD. Again, type for SIMD and a best match would appear, which is a command prompt system. Now here you need to proceed on run as administrator. Now you may wonder why we click on run as administrator instead of open. The reason is when we click on open instead of run as administrator, all the actions that we are going to perform in the command prompt when we click on open will not work out. We will not be making any changes and will not be able to fix the problem if we click on open instead of run as administrator. So it is very a must and it is very important to go with run as administrator. So don't worry because this is a safe process. Just have to tap on it, okay? And you will receive a notification where your user account control is asking you to make any changes to your device. Simply click on yes so that you would be able to give permission on running this command prompt as administrator. So here you need to copy a command text which I'll be including at the description box below, which is this. Okay, this is a pretty long command text which is reg space add space open quotation mark HKLM backward slash system backward slash current control set backward slash services backward slash stornvme backward slash parameters backward slash device c- close quotation mark space forward slash v space open quotation mark forced physical sector size in bytes close quotation mark space forward slash t reg underscore multi underscore sc space forward slash d space open quotation mark asterisk space 4095 close quotation mark space forward slash f. Okay, so control C to copy, minimize this window, proceed in this area, please do a right click, go with edit, and go with paste. Once you have pasted it, click on enter and wait until the procedure would be done. So the procedure would be depend on the machine that you are having. Okay. So just have to be patient on waiting and don't close this command prompt window unless you are done. Once you are done, please close this window and please proceed with the start icon. So click on your start icon and go with your power options icon and click on restart. Now you may wonder why we need to restart. Now there is a need to restart the computer in order to apply on the actions that we have just performed earlier. So to make any changes and in order to fix your problem, restart your computer, okay? Once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure it will be fixed, okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.